I'm in my bathroom and I thought I'd just do a little vlog just to kind of tell you guys what I'm up to. I have got so sick and tired of dyeing my hair all the time. So what I've done is I've put like a very, it's like a medium ash blonde just on the top bit and at the back, and I'm hoping to have kind of like a gradient effect. I hope it's not too dark. I literally picked, I'll show you the box. So I picked an medium ash blonde, which I didn't think was too dark. It's literally the same colour as my natural hair anyway, so I'm hoping it won't be too dark. So I'm going to try and wash this off now. All I did was just put it on a hairbrush and then just like combed it through. So I was hoping that it'd give me like a really kind of natural look, but we shall see. Okay, how are we looking? Not too bad. It's not too dark. I didn't really want it to be like dark brown. Hi ladies! Okay, so it's been a few days now and it's still very grey. I haven't really washed it, I haven't really had a chance. So today... You're so chatty. I'm going to squeeze a whole load of lemons and add it with some conditioner and put it on for about 45 minutes and see if it just brings out the ashy tones in my hair, because I've read that it does online. So we're going to give it a go and we're going to see what happens. Okay, so I'm back in my bathroom, yay! And you can really see the grey now. You can see how it's quite, I don't know, it doesn't really go with my skin tone. I much prefer my other blonde. See if we can find some of it back here. No, it's pretty much all gone. Oh, there's a bit there. So you can see the difference, but anyway, so we've got our lemon juice. I've squeezed out 4 lemons. Got a trusty hair dye towel. Where's my peg? There it is. Trusty peg. Right, so I've got my lemon juice and then I've got my conditioner. I'm just going to add the two together. It looks like sick. Look at that! I need to put a bit more conditioner in. It's got like really chunky, like cottage cheese. Okay. This is looking literally like egg yolk. I'm going to attempt... Oh, it smells good though. It smells like I could eat it. Right, here we go. Now, this has got to stay on apparently for an hour, 45 minutes. What time is it now? 9:30, right. And apparently it's meant to look at my skin. Oh, it's so bad. Oh, it's really cold. It's like smearing slime on my hair. It's like a bush tucker trial. Is anyone watching that, by the way? I don't know in America if you can actually watch it. Because it's in Australia, so technically it's not like a UK programme. I don't know, maybe it is. Oh, it is, because it's from ITV. You guys might have a, like, American version, though. Whoops, a bit went on the floor. Never mind. Right. Oh, it's so cold. Okay. Now we're going to leave this on and see how I get on. So something else that I did that's really stupid, I don't know if you can see it. Oh, yes you can. I shaved my widow's peak off. Can you see how it's got like a triangle there and I completely shaved it off? Oh, look at that. It's really stubbly. Oh no, look at the growth where it's coming back. My skin is breaking out so bad at the moment. I've just literally had my period and just before I get my period, I want to eat chocolate and I get hormonal and I get breakout in spots and then they just sort of stay there till the next period. Okay, so I'm going to leave this on for about an hour and then I'll be back and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm back and I've just wrapped in a towel because it was so cold, just like sat with wet drippy hair. Right, it's been an hour and a half exactly because it's now 11 o'clock. Let's see what's happened. I can't tell, it still looks pretty grey. I guess it's gone like a bit lighter. I'm gonna rinse it out with some I'm going to rinse it out with some anti-dandruff shampoo and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so I've just got out of the bath and I haven't even looked, I've just literally just wrapped it in a towel and let's have a look. Oh my god, it actually worked! Look at that! What? That is amazing! Look at that! That grey is like not grey anymore. Wow, that is amazing. How does the back look? This one insisted on coming with me into the bathroom, didn't you? Say hi to the ladies. You wave. Say hi. Oh my goodness, it worked. Look at that. That looks so much better. I'll show you the back. So much better, right? Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Okay guys, so learn from me. If ever you use like an ashy blonde kind of hair dye, just put some lemon juice on it and some conditioner, mix it all together, leave it on for a couple of hours, and it gets rid of it. That is amazing. So I do hope this video is helpful for someone. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, subscribe to me for free, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye ladies! Honey, I'm a perfect 10.